prove that root over 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Those who are watching this video, request you watch this video without any break, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe this channel for getting the notification of uploaded videos. Now solve the question. Right left hand side is equal to 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x. See, right hand side in terms of tan. So we have to convert sin x in terms of tan. Also we have to remove radical sign, that is root over sign. To do that, if we multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x, then numerator will be 1 plus sin x whole square and denominator will be 1 minus sin square. See how that is happening. Root over multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x. What will be denominator? 1 minus sin x into 1 plus what will be numerator? 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x, that means 1 plus sin x, that of square. What will be denominator? See, the formula in algebra, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Conversely, right hand side is equal to left hand side. So now consider this a minus b into a plus b. That means this is interchange, a minus b into a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square. A means 1 square, b means sin square x. Now say 1 plus sin x whole square, removing the radical signs, will be 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x by, see, 1 minus sin square x, that is equal to cos square x. Removing the radical sign, it will be cos x. Now look at the right hand side. Right hand side, what is there? Tan within bracket pi by 4 plus x by 2. So now again we have to convert x by x by 2. And another thing is there is a pi by 4. So we have to use the formula so that x is converted into x by 2. That means general angle to submultiple angle. There is some formulas writing here. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x, that is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by t. See, here is sin x cos x, but we have to convert this x by 2 and in terms of cos. See, if we angle complementary angle formula, that means 1 cos of pi by 2 plus x. Now simply to make out I have written this. Now see, cos pi by 2 plus x, that is equal to minus sin x. Why? All sin, tan, cos, and its reciprocal. See, in this quadrant only sin and cosec positive. Cos 90 plus x, that means pi by 2 plus x, up to this pi by 2 plus x, that means this cone is falling in the second quadrant. As it is pi by 2 plus minus, so cos will be converted into sin, sin into cos, and so on. So cos pi by 2 is equal to minus sin x. Here is sin x. If we write here minus cos 90 plus x equal to minus sin x, this minus will be plus, automatically adjusted 1 plus sin x. Similarly, we will write sin pi by 2 plus x. Sin 90 plus x, sin is positive, and that is cos x. Nothing extra is written here. Now we will use this formula and this formula. Pi by 2 will be pi by 4, x will be x by 2. So what is this? Using this formula, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin square x means pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 plus x by 2, writing in the way by 2. We are giving second bracket. Now for this sin pi by 2 plus x, writing using this formula, 2 sin x by 2 means pi by 2 plus x into half cos of pi by 2 . Now see, that is equal to, what is 2 will get cancelled, 1 sin will get cancelled. After simplifying, this will be sin pi by 2 into half, that means pi by 4 x into half x by 2 by cos of pi by 4. Similarly, writing this x by 2. Here should be, here is first bracket, no need. So sin x by cos x into tan x as per formula. So in place of this, writing tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence under root 1 plus sin x tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 proved. If you are benefited by watching this video, you should subscribe your friends. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.